In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Legalzoom discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for Legalzoom discount promo codes. Right here, select this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with different types of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this 20% off promo code, all I have to do is select show coupon code right here. And this is a discount code that I can copy and I can apply this one on my next purchase in order to get this 20% discount. Going back to our main search right here, if I'm going to scroll down a little bit, I should be able to find this website, which is called couponbirds.com. And right here, we have a list with different types of promo codes that we can also use to get some discounts. Right here, for example, if I want to use this 20% discount, all I have to do is select that code right here. And this is the discount code that I can copy and apply on my next purchase in order to get this discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.